Oh, yeah. Well, I looked at the guest book. We don't know a damn person here.
Jerry, stop networking.
Jerry, get a job. Jerry, don't look for a job. I get it. I'm cramping your style.
You say you get it, but I'm scared you'll keep doing it.
You must be Selma's mom and dad.
We're Tammy's parents, Pat and Donna Guterman.
Hi.
So, your teenage daughter's marrying a bird man. You guys down with that? What is he, 40? Imagine being pregnant with your daughter and a bird teenager comes into your home and says, I'll take that. I'll have sex with that.
Were you born with your feet in your mouth?
I was transported here against my will in a meatball, all right?
I want you to stand in the corner and face the corner and talk to nobody.
Maybe I will.